In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Bank of America to Chime. So the first thing you need to do is you need to link your Bank of America account to Chime, and then you're able to direct funds from Bank of America over to Chime. So to do that, all you want to do is you want to open up Chime, go to the bottom menu, press over here where it says Move. Then scroll down until you see this section that says Manage Linked Accounts. Then you're going to see this option that says link a new account. And then from there, you're able to go ahead and select on bank account. So just press on that. And then afterwards, it's going to open up a software called Plaid. Now, Plaid is a free software that will safely allow you to connect to your bank account. So you will need to go ahead and input your phone number. So just press on continue once you're done with that. Then you might need to do some captchas, so go ahead and do that. Then it's going to send you a code to your phone number, and then afterwards you should be good to go. And then it's going to ask you to select your institution, and obviously we are working with Bank of America, so you want to go ahead and select on Bank of America. Then from there, select on continue to log in. Now the way it works is that you need to sign in to your Bank of America account using your user ID and your password. And then from there, you are able to go ahead and actually link the two together. So if you go ahead and press on continue to log in, it's going to open up Bank of America, and you need to go ahead and sign in. So please go ahead and sign in if you haven't already using your user ID and your password, and you should be good to go. All right, now it may take a little while to link a bank account, so sometimes it can even take up to a couple business days. So guys, unfortunately, sometimes this may not always go as smoothly. So I just want to be as transparent as possible, and sometimes they're going to make you do some more verification. For example, they might send another code to your phone number, or you may even need to go ahead, or they may even make two small deposits to your account, and we're only talking like a couple cents. And then from there, you need to type in how much they did deposit, and once again, that is just for security purposes. So once you have your Bank of America account connected to Chime, then you're able to transfer funds. And then where it says from, you're then going to see an option that says Bank of America, and then you're able to select on Chime and then checking, and then from there you should be good to go. That will now officially allow you to use funds from Bank of America over on to Chime. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.